Great confusion, this is what we see. We see the family tree, of society. Great confusion, day by day we pray. Evil will come our way. Chase it away your way. Great confusion, complications. Churros, 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 hey, churros, 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 hey, churros, churros, churros. Hey, zobo zum zobo zum zobo zo. Never the basta, never the basta, never the given a bigger basta. Evil woman, evil mother.
Afi? Afi? Afi Adehan? Afi? Afi? Afi de? Afi? Afi malafia? Afi pọ̀pọ̀pọ̀? I hate this tacky little village. I am going to the city to live properly. Don't try to look for me. I am going to be so rich you will not recognize me.
So we decided to bring them to you for safekeeping.
Sister, you must keep this well. They've been in our family for ages, and we must protect them.
There is nothing to fear. I'll guard them with my life.
Good.
Openi, you are not part of our family.
Yes.
I am saying. So you must help your wife guard these.
You, as my wife said, you have nothing to fear. They will be safe.
Yeah. Ate, we must be leaving now.
Yo, certainly. Yo, Yo, Azambia. Oh, what is it?
Yeah.
Opening.
Thank you very much for coming later. Yo.
Lichimala gomena aja kumadoe nudogbe japata inu edoli jango edoli jango ganyo edoli chimala gomena aja kumadoe nudogbe japata inu edoli jango edoli jango ganyo edoli chimala gomena aja kumadoe happy.
It's a pity. It's a real pity.
Openyi, these are for the family. not an individual.
That may be so. But I cannot understand how a family can keep so much gold when its members are living in poverty. Look at your brother Anza and what is his name? Uncle Atu. Starving to death. Hey!
Well, we've had them for ages. It is used when there is a marriage ceremony and the bride must look rich. Afterwards, it's returned for safekeeping.
That is not important. Share it among the members.
Good
Share
day,
it.
good day, good day, good day.
Good day, good day.
Efo, sit down.
Auntie, Asanti.
Sit down.
Efo, something must be wrong. I hope it's not that young wife of yours who is breaking your heart again.
It is she.
Oh, Efo, what has she done now?
She's run away. Ow! She's run away and left the child behind.
Run away. Oh, Efo. Oh, but why should she do that?
She says she doesn't like the saint of the village again.
Oh.
That she wants to go to the city and work and get rich. Openly. Can you imagine Bobo getting rich?
Efo, I always told you that girl was too young for you. Eh?
But I look after her. I look after her. I look after her.
Efo, there are more important things than that.
Efo, so what are you going to do now?
Find a woman his age and let her look after the child. What else can he do?
I thought you people were going to help me solve this problem. Look at the way you are handling the matter.
Efo. We always try to help you from the beginning. We tried to help you from the beginning. You refused. Efo, if you had listened to us, you would not be in this mess by now.
I think I have to go.
Oh, Efo.
I didn't know that you would be behaving like Bobo.
Don't worry. Everything will be alright.
Efo, find a woman your age, you will not be in trouble.
You are bad.
Efo.
Edoli jango, Edoli chimologo meno, aja kumadoe nudogwe, jagbata enu. Edoli jango, Edoli chimologo meno. Aja kumadoe nudogwe, jagbata enu. Edoli jango.
You look tired.
I'm tired. Tired of living my way. Every day the same. No changes. Oh. Where is Sewa?
Sewa! Mommy! Bring your father some water to drink.
What for how long are we going to continue like this? Huh? Oh.
What is the matter?
Look, spare me.
Edoli chimologo meno, aja kumadoe nudogwe, jagbata enu. Edoli jango, Edoli jango. Hello, Chimela go now. Aja kumado.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm?
Who has left the village?
Eh? Apple? Good for him.
You cannot bear the shame. Everybody is laughing at him. Wait.
Look, Apple is old. Yet, he married a girl young to be his daughter's age. Oh!
That is why.
You know? Yeah, okay.
I don't worry.
Pray take this one.
I like this, Papa.
I planted them near the riverside. It's nice.
Papa, there's something I want to tell you.
Talk.
Papa, you are growing old.
True. It is true.
And I'm very grateful that you took care of me.
Ooh, we have to thank God.
And giving me good education.
We have to thank God.
Now I want to take care of you.
Oh, but you are taking care of me already, Epe. The other day you bought me some supporter. And yesterday you brought home some singlet. That is all right.
But that is not enough.
Oh, it's all right.
What I earn here teaching the children is nothing.
Don't worry. We'll manage it. We'll manage it small.
Papa, I want to go to the city and find a job.
Not you two. Not you two.
Please, Papa, I will be all right. One of my friends who lives in the city wrote to me. I could stay with her until I find a place of my own.
I said I will not give you my permission. That is what I am saying. You will not go to the city.
But you must.
No, I said no. So, I was here with Afik Bobofo before he left for the city. You also want to go to the city? You will not have my permission.
I can't grow old and die in this tacky little village.
See, tacky little village. Put your hand on your lips. Those were the exact words of your mother.
If you don't let me, I will run away.
Run away? Run away, let's see. You want to run away whilst I am alive here in this village? It will never happen.
Look, try me. Try me.
You are not being reasonable. You are not being reasonable.
Look who is talking. I will not stay in this poverty with so much gold lying within reach.
So haven't you heard a word I've said?
Listen, Asantua. That gold lying around will not do any good. Let me take them to the city, work with it, and make great profit. All you do is replace them later.
And when they need the gold?
That gold has been with us for over 18 years now. They will need it. Look, Asantua, we shall not suffer anymore. We will live in the city and be rich. I've already informed my friend Sabon about it.
I'll think about it.
Think about it. Think. Oh.
flatter.
Oh, cross my heart.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Bye.
Money.
Yes.
Yes. Now that the gold has been turned to cash, I need a place of my own.
Of course, you're
and
right.
possibly a car. Yes. Shall we go and see the shops now?
Yes, of course.
And how much did the man say he was selling it?
Oh, 8 million cities only.
Oh! No big deal. No big deal. Nothing is expensive with all this money.
I see you are really going to enjoy life.
Yes, of course, you can bet. You bet.
Now, driver, let's go.
Hi, can I join you? You look familiar. Don't you work at the bank around the circle?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So what are you doing here? You look very lonely.
I came here to while away the time.
Anyway, I am Marcus. I mean, what's your name?
Why do you want to know my name?
One, because you have one. Two, because you're beautiful. And three, I think I'm attracted to you. And four, you have to tell me.
Anyway, I'm Pat.
Pat. You see, I told you, you have one. It's a beautiful name. And is it Patience?
Yeah.
Hello, darling. You are in early today. Oh, hello. This is Belinda, my wife, and her friend, Tracy. Yeah. Belinda, this is Ibn Yaokra from our village. Nice meeting you. Hello. So how was it?
Fine,
Good. Right. Oh, good. Look, drink. Oh, drink.
Isn't your wife too young for you? Oh. She will bring you trouble.
Look, at your age and with the kind of wealth you have, you will get far and better respect with a young girl by your side always. They are good for the blood, you know. And they give you free baths. Yes. Yes.
Well, it's a pity I'm already married. I would have loved to...
Look. You are not bringing that wife of yours from the village, are you?
Well,
Look,
I promise...
Keep her there. Eh? Keep her there. You can make her regular monthly visits. Huh? Keep her there. And find a young, attractive girl and enjoy city life to the full. You know, life is not like the way you see it, but how you make it. Well, you think about it, my friend, because I am going to organize Tracy for you.
Who, me?
Oh, yes.
You mean Tracy?
Yes. How do you find her?
She's not bad. She's not bad.
Oh, so you like it? It's a deal.
Some more.
Oh, yes. I'm going to fix you, eh?
All right. I'll have that.
This looks delicious. Just like the way you look tonight. Thelma, thank you very much for making my birthday wonderful.
You haven't seen anything as yet. Greater are the things to come if you give me your whole heart.
Thelma, you know I love you. And I will never love anyone as much.
Are you sure?
Cross my heart.
Hey, Marcus. Bukune. Okay. Here. Have a look at it. Go on, do it.
What? In one car?
Yeah, take the sauce. I wanted to buy you a few things, but it was a bit late. We'll shopping tomorrow.
Oh, thank you very much. I love you too, Thelma. Come on, let's eat quickly and go home.
Yeah, I know. That was sure.
Yeah, now, listen. I want you to do something for me.
Really?
Yeah. Now, I want you to link your friend, Tracy, with Openi Yaukra.
Oh, that village old one.
Look, the man has money. He is more than a millionaire.
Is he fully loaded?
The man is loaded. You know? He will take good care of her. I'll show you.
I trust my friend. She can handle him with care.
Oh, you can do that?
Yes, I can.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on. I love you.
I love you too.
Oh, you are great. You are great.
Come on, hop on, I'll give you a leg.
Marcus! Marcus! Oh, this boy. Marcus! It made me very, very happy today.
I want to prove to you that I can match your youthful energy. Fine. Is there anything you need?
Yes. But there's no point because you won't do it.
Tracy, come on, say it. Say the word. And you've got it.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to change your name.
Tracy, because of this, you are so worried. Of course, I'll change it if it will make you happy. I'll change it. So, what do you suggest?
Francis. It will suit your image now.
Okay, Francis. So, from this day forth, my name is Francis. So, help me, Tracy. You all right now? Good.
What's wrong?
I guess I'm tired.
So what happened yesterday? You know we had a date.
Sweetheart, there's no way I could have forgotten about our date. You know my friend Kingsley? He called me and said the wife had packed up and threatening to leave him. So I had to make sure she changed her mind.
But you could have at least phoned to tell me.
Believe me, sweetheart, there wasn't time at all, so I couldn't call you. Oh God. Thank God it's all over. I hope you're not going to do this to me.
Of course not. Silly. Come on, hurry up, Edgar.
Oh God. Now that is in your power. You have to keep him away from village life. Okay?
But he wants to go and visit her tomorrow.
Do what? And what are you waiting for? Let's go to Babatunde. If we don't, and he goes back to the village, the mere sight of that woman will remind him of the tour he went through with her. And he will get rid of you fast, as soon as you return. So it's time for action. Take action now.
Of course, we'll go to Baba.
Yes.
But I want him to leave for the village first.
Yes, yes.
Hello, young man. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, come. Oh, come inside, young man. Oh, come and sit here. Oh, let me give you some water.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, okay. You are welcome.
Thank you, Papa.
You are welcome.
Thank you. Papa, how are you?
Fine, thank you. By the grace of God, I am fine. I was only taking some breeze outside there when you came. As for this place, it's cool.
Marcus, this is my father.
Oh, okay.
Papa, this is Marcus. A gentleman I met in the city. He's been so good to me.
Oh.
And I brought him home to meet you.
I see. Thank you very much for taking very good care of her for me. You see, this my daughter is a very special daughter for me. And I don't like anybody to make her basa for me. You see? So now, as she talked that you are taking good care of her, it's very good news. Continue like that. God himself will bless you.
Thank you, Papa.
Oh, Epe.
Papa, how is everybody?
Everybody is fine except that Nyaduo. You remember Nyaduo?
Yeah.
She went to the riverside and never came back. So yesterday we had to do a funeral. That's the only bad news here. But apart from that, everything is fine. So.
And the farm?
Well, the farm is doing well. The farm is doing well. I have developed the other side too. Getting close to the riverside. Oh, let me put some water on the fire and make some akme for you.
Oh, Papa, it's okay. We'll leave soon.
Is that so? Yes. Oh, you don't want to chop some akme?
No, it's okay.
And garadechi.
Yeah, okay. Papa, here's some money too.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for me.
I will.
Thank you for me. And take good care of her. Just now. Let me put this money down and see you off.
Ladies and gentlemen, on this happy occasion, I'd like to crave your indulgence to help me to present to my dear wife, Belinda, who has been a helper in all ways to me. On her 20th birthday, I present this car key, a brand new golf car, as her birthday present. Ladies and gentlemen.
Wow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Nyoyon koviriame, ama swani pa brabo. Nyondo koviriame, ama debia na mayeko. Ibo mi uyanga mi di misuyo. Ngo mi uyanga me transe jeme ho. Bonti suni betra waza, mini anum lefri ovi ba. Awa kawa, anu everyone to. Ebo no krasa o, ama kontom pandoso, mabrabo mwa, meje nedi o, mechiri mwasemia, na mekache no, na mini misemre bibe drama na ebone. Ebo no nipanyo, wanso nipa uncha wabrabo o, woti mase no makraso, na nom ne frem tisense fufu. Nkabe bisamye, wamisa mintu wa muzo ayamfumso. Ibo mi uyanga ya eba ko. Ibo mi uyanga de ni edrokra. Enti uye bibi ayadwen ho. Onwe ya be yamfumso. Anza warebese. Onamfufo nyina be pawo. Ibo wano asemti. Onwe ya beto na bodenda. Ibo no krasa. Wabrabo. No crazy, na kanye mebini. Nyoyon koviriame, ama swani pa brabo. Nyondo fovi.
Tell me, could it be? Is it we cannot live together in the world? With confusion, this is what we see. We see the family tree, trees of society. With confusion, day by day we pray. Evil no come our way, chase it away our way. With confusion, complication.
I don't know what to do.
I remember we have prayed and we are still praying. God is in control, so don't give up.
How can I know where?
Hey,
Papa! Okay, we miss you.
Yes, so how are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Yeah, good. Yeah. Asandua.
Is that you?
Yes.
You look like a city man now. Hey. Is that what you did with the money?
Asandua, first give me some water to quench my thirst.
Oh my, how stupid. Okay, you sit down. Sarah, hurry up with the water.
Oh.
Bravo, you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
I was just discussing you with Pastor when you shocked us all with your presence.
Well, I've missed you, and I've decided to come and see you.
Is that all? Just to come and see us, and not to take us back to the city?
I said, well, there's a lot to be done.
In that case, I think I will leave this case.
Pastor, please don't go. Don't go. I need you now.
I am building us a house, and have bought some shops.
And clothes, and cars. Openi, is that the work you told me you were going to do? I thought by now you'll bring me back the gold you took away.
Be patient. It is the gold I'm using to do all these. And when I'm established, everything will be returned.
So, when are we joining you in the city?
As soon as it is convenient.
What? Open, Pastor, you see what I told you? Pastor, you see what I told you? Open, hey, have you married in the city or what? Hey, and what happened to your grey hair?
I've not married. How can you think so? I'm there toiling all alone, and you don't seem to appreciate it.
But it's obvious you are living with a woman. I can see. Open, after all the sufferings together. Hey.
Yes, Antiwa. I want to leave. Open, please, I want to talk to you.
This wonderful visit.
Thank you very much.
Thank God, and we still pray for you.
Thank you.
But Opanye, you know, there is a woman in your life.
Who? Me?
Really?
Oh, no. Pastor. No. I mean, apart from my wife, there's no other woman.
Oh, she is planning evil against you.
Against me? No, Pastor.
You see, take this from me. Before you get home, she had prepared you some yam. And that is evil yam. Don't eat it.
Oh, I see. All right.
So take care.
Thank you very much, Pastor.
God be with you.
It's a pleasure. Thank you very much, Pastor.
Don't mention it.
I'm sorry, Asentua. I'll make sure you come and stay as soon as is possible. I know how we have toiled. I can't disgrace you. For now, I'm home. I want you to remind me how nice it was. Come.
Oh, leave it.
Oh, come on.
Me transe dream yo. Empente muatai. Na do ni pada sa ne jawo za besi form. Ebe yanka kuma o. Na yanku be mo wadofo ya watamfo. Menyi ni penni bi. Robo ma. Menyi ni penni bi. Na bo ni banu we wo. Abu fo mani pakani yanka. Yeye na wanu wenyuka. Na wanko kani yanka. Baby, I chill no can no. Je me dream, I walk with you, me dream. Oni vanye, ngoka no bia ngoka bekame. Ebo mi brand to my go. Timide me to so me o. Ano me ni ane wai. Ni ane ni oni ni sidu ya krono. Eba ne sene. Na do voya tamfune.
This is the kind of that voice powers. Come with me.
Baba!
take this yam home. Make sure the yam should be with you one bathroom. Afterwards, cook it for him. And now, my money, 500,000.
Come a bit closer, let me in. Wow, that's beautiful. That's beautiful.
I am going to bring my wife, and she must not come to meet you here. You heard me. You are finished.
Okay, I understand.
It's Sunday, isn't it?
Yes, but I have to check a few things in town. I'll see you later this evening.
Where from you?
I went out early this morning to check on a few things.
Don't lie. I've been here since last night. I say, where from you? Marcus, I'm waiting. I asked you a question.
Can I have a drink?
Look here, Marcus. I am serious. You have started, haven't you? You are seeing someone else.
That's a lie.
You are rather the liar. I am reliably informed that you are seeing a girl from the bank called Pat. Listen, Marcus, I am not a child. I want you to decide which one of us you want. And wait. Marcus, I'm waiting.
How did you know this?
I have friends everywhere. You better stop seeing her before it's too late. You understand?
Come on, Thelma. You know there's nothing in it. It's just fun.
Fun? What fun do you want that I can't give you? Nonsense. I look after you, I give you money, I do everything for you, and you tell me it's fun. I don't want any competition. Marcus, you understand? Silly.
Papa's medicine did not work. The man came back from the village and did not eat.
Are you sure?
He threw the food on the ground. So what are we going to do? He's asked me to leave the house.
Don't worry. This time, I will take you to the most powerful one. He is called the Great One. Okay?
Okay.
I'll go. You take this.
Hey. Welcome, my elders. Oh, let's get into the room.
Oh, let's sit here and enjoy some fresh air.
Good to see you.
Oh, let me offer you some water.
Oh, it's okay.
Thanks.
In the first place, accept our sincerest apology for coming at this time of the night and in the rain.
Since you are from afar, may I know your mission?
Good. Our mission is very simple. You know, Amasewa, your niece will soon be initiated into womanhood. And as custom demands, she must be seen to come from a really rich family. So we have come for the jewels. Can we have them now? Sandra, what is wrong with you? Haven't you heard a word of all that I have said? We want the jewels.
No, you want the jewels now?
Yes. Any reason why we can't have them now?
Oh no. When exactly is the ceremony coming on?
2 weeks from now. Surely you are aware of that.
Yes, I only want to suggest that you come for them a week from today. You see, that will give you the chance to put them all in order. Excuse me.
Cassandra, where is your husband?
My husband. He's traveled. Why?
We heard he had gone to Accra, living so well. In fact, very rich. Adam, where did he get all that money from?
But he works.
Oh, so you are aware of that? Perhaps it is time you went after him. Come back, though, before the stipulated time. The jewels, Azandua. The jewels. We must get them when we come next week.
Great one, my friend here needs your help.
What I have put together, let no man put asunder. I bring you together as man and wife.
Oh, yeah. Oh. I really had a good time, you know?
Yes.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah.
2.
Yeah. Hey,
Yeah.
Hey. Look, I'm now putting the old man to sleep. So you have to come back later in the evening. I'll leave the back door open.
Right.
Please.
Right, I'll be there.
The place. All right. Oh, yes, we shall meet. Tracy. Hey, that's all right. Who was there?
Oh, he was looking for the garden boy.
Has he seen him?
The garden boy is not around too.
Okay. Oh. All right.
It's nice, huh? Oh, but you haven't finished
Wait. I'm all right. Are you drunk?
Me, I'm not wrong. Belinda, let's go.
Oh, Belinda. Okay, so bye. I'll call you.
Bye. All right, see you.
Have a great time, you know.
See you.
Sit down.
See you, I love you. I love you.
I know.
To hell with my wife.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
You know I love you.
I know.
Let's
No, please.
You look, do I know you somewhere?
No, I don't know it.
Oh, I see. Well, what can I do for you?
I'm looking for Marcus.
Marcus? Oh, yeah? So, whom do I say is calling?
Pat.
Pat? You are Pat? Marcus' girlfriend?
Yes, you must be his auntie. Nice meeting you.
Did Marcus tell you that I am his auntie?
Well, auntie.
You better clear off.
Why?
Because I say so.
I think I get the picture. You can't be his auntie. A sugar mommy, I guess.
Look here. You better clear off before I tear you into pieces.
It's time you clear off, old woman. You should be ashamed of yourself. Don't you have a husband and kids at home to look after?
Pat. Okay, look here. Emma, please go inside. Look. Please, please.
Marcus, you better tell this smelly little rat to clear off.
I'm not going anywhere. Go and look after your children. You are old enough to be my mother. A man of your own.
Marcus, please.
I will tell this.
Emma, please. Please.
I am not going anywhere. She should leave first. She should leave first.
But
leave me alone. I said leave me alone.
I won't leave.
Please go.
Why don't you leave me? Why are you holding me?
Please go. I'll come later. Please.
Why are you holding me? Leave me.
Please, Pat, go.
Leave me.
Tell my baby to go inside.
Leave me.
My mother, I will trash you until you get some sense of decency into your shameless head.
What are you doing?
What does it look like?
Thelma, you don't have to leave. It's just a mistake.
A mistake? Great!
Please, Thelma, don't leave.
You can say that again after I've left.
Okay, please yourself.
Hi, hello, can I help you?
Why are you so rude?
I asked you a simple question and you want to insult me. And this is not the first time. I must see the manager. I insist. Can't keep on working here with this attitude.
Good afternoon, Marina. Is this where Openi Yakra lives, please?
Francis, yes, this is his house. Can I help you?
I'm his wife. I've come all the way from the village. Is he in? Can I see him, please?
No, he's not in. And you can't come in. I'll sit somewhere.
I'm so sorry about all these complaints about physical patients of late. I'll assure you I will delve into this matter and have it disciplined, okay?
Yeah, I'll be very glad.
Thank you for that.
Okay.
Alright. So, okay.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Bye.
Hello? Oh, that's you. Did you succeed? Oh, good. The money is ready. Good. I want another incident tomorrow. Then I can move in. Can you? Good. Thank you very much. All right. Oh, thank you. All right. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Hey. How did you find it?
Agra is terrible.
Come. Look, this is our home. Come.
Hey, open
Tracy, this is
I know him, your village wife.
Yes.
She can't come in here.
Asandua, you have to go now.
What? Go back? What's the matter with you, Benny?
You heard me. Look, I'll come to the village myself and see you.
Oh, Benny, how can you allow this little girl to dictate to you? Is she your new wife or what? What? Is that what you did with the jewel? Now, when people need them, give them back to me and I will leave now.
I said go back. I'll come myself to the village. I mean deaf.
Stupid talk. Okay, you have been bereft.
Oh, look, mind your
language. That girl has done something to your senses.
Mind your language.
Alright, give the jewels back to me and let me go.
Go, will you?
Give the jewels. I said you go. Give the jewels back to me. I can't go. Give the jewels back to me. Leave me. Leave me.
I'll beat you. If you don't leave now, I'll beat you.
Give the back. Give the jewels back. Give the back. Give the jewels back.
You go.
Give the jewels back.
Go to the village.
Hey, okay, give the jewels.
Francis. I'm sorry to keep you waiting.
No problem.
If he comes to catch you, I am dead.
Look, Tracy, my love for you is very strong.
My father.
Who did you say was your father? Am I your father? Hey, young man, this woman is my wife. Get out before I beat you up.
Tracy, is that true?
Get out, I say. Shut up, you whore! Shut up! How can you do this under my roof? How? And you think that I left my wife for you? Oh my God.
Francis, I love you.
Get out of my way.
Francis! Francis, please.
You're welcome. Hello.
You stupid bitch. Nobody crosses me and goes scot-free, right? If you decide to leave him, you will be free. Hey, I'm talking to you.
Leave me alone, old woman. You are shameless.
Hey. I will make sure you are sacked from this bank. I will make sure that you are sacked. Alright? You will have to leave this bank or I will. You understand? I will not just sit down for a dirty whore like you to insult me.
Do your worst. I'm fed up with all the commotion you and your stooges create here. If I'm sacked today, I will not go hungry or naked. And I will certainly not leave Marcus.
We shall see. We shall see.
Yes, come in. Oh, hello, Sister Thelma. Oh, you're looking so great. Thank you. Have a seat. Thank you. So, can I help you?
You know, I've been saving with your bank for some time now. But quite recently, I have a problem with one particular girl down there.
In this bank?
One of your cashiers. She's called Patience. That girl is so rude. I came down there this morning to collect some money. And the way she talked to me, the way she counted the money. How can you do such a thing to a customer?
A very good customer like me. Manager, you should sack her. If you don't sack that girl, I will draw all my money from here and go to another bank.
Please, I'm on my knees. Please, I will see to it myself.
To your young lady.
The man is disturbing my life. He's breaking my heart. I need a stronger medicine.
Like what?
I don't know anything. I don't know. Maybe you can make him blind. Yes, I want him to go blind.
That will be expensive.
I would pay any amount. Please.
Mommy, please don't do it, please. I won't let your father go scot-free. Mommy, please, no. Mommy, please.
Are you going to perform some rituals? Osafo, that man has destroyed my life as well as my family. This is an abomination. Mama Santua, please come down. Remember the years we have prayed. Remember the fasting. Please. What will I tell my people? Please. What will I tell my people when they come back? Please, Mama Santua, please. Oh, come down, let me take you back home, please. Please, come down. Come down.
What is the matter?
Oh my God, I've been so offended. The woman sitting yesterday and treated us. The manager is fed up with all the complaints. What can I do?
Tell me, could it be? Is it we cannot live? Please,
Mama Santua, all is not lost. God can still work a miracle. Cursing him will not solve the problem. The most important thing is to get the jewels. Let us plan how we can go back there and get them.
People will be coming this evening.
I will be here when they come. And we will try our best to reach a compromise. But afterwards, we'll go back to Accra.
And I'm lucky. Can I come in?
What do you want?
What do I want? What's wrong?
Look, it's over between us. I don't want to see you here again.
Come on, Marcus. I am tired. I want to come and rest.
Find somewhere else to rest.
Hey, Marcus. It's bad. She's been telling you things about me, eh?
Look, I never thought you could stoop so low as to go to the working place and create a scene. I thought you were a decent person.
That is not true. It is not true. I just went there to collect some money and then she started insulting me. How can you believe in such lies about me? Eh?
Look, I don't care what happened. It is over between us. You're too old for me anyway. It's finished.
What did you say? I am now too old for you, eh? I am now too old for you. Look here, Marcus. You can't throw me away like you are throwing away your clothes. If it is over with you, it is not over with me. You understand? It is not over. Ah, I see. She is here. Pat, you will regret the day that you were born. And you, Marcus, you will regret the day that you set eyes on me. I swear, the two of you, I swear, the two of you will suffer. I swear.
What was that?
That's my father. He's blind. He doesn't start to get attention.
Tracy.
You despicable old fool.
Tracy. Tracy. Look, I'm your husband, not your father. You devil. You devil. You witch. You witch. Tracy. Tracy. What? Tracy. 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 Oh, hello, thank you.
You have a seat. Let me offer you some water.
No need. You know why we are here.
I don't understand the whole thing at all. How can this bitch take my man from me? I want you to discipline her well. Well. Beat her so well.
But what about the boy?
Don't touch him. I still love you. I don't want you to tie the boy. You leave the boy alone. Okay. But the girl, discipline her well.
Then it's a small problem.
Please, don't kill anybody.
I understand.
Okay?
Okay.
Don't kill anybody.
Okay.
When you come back, I have a special gift for you.
We trust you.
I'm going to make you happy, okay?
We trust you.
I know.
No problem.
Okay. So,
right.
Everything is in your hand.
Okay.
Don't kill anybody, please.
Okay. Okay.
Asantua, how could you have been so stupid? You gave the family jewels to some good-for-nothing man to shove it, Osako! Shove it! Let's go. You will hear from the chief.
Please, please, come down. We'll go to Accra tomorrow. Please.
Hey, you! What? Get down! Hey, man. You this lady, I'll kill you! Get down! Fuck you! Bring the taxi! Take the taxi! Come, move!
Are you dead?
Can I come in?
No, you can't come in.
But we can't end it like this.
You have to. Do you want to be killed before you learn something?
No, but she's got everything she gave me back. I owe her nothing.
But you do. She wants your very soul. And she hates me. Leave my home, please, leave.
But please listen to me.
No, just leave. Marcus, come for an umbrella.
Shut down! Shut up, reach for the food and eat it yourself. And don't let me get any dress from you.
I wasn't the one in your way.
He is not here.
Who is not here?
Her husband is not here.
Where is he?
I don't know.
What have you done?
I don't know.
Where can we find him?
Madam, I don't know. I am not his keeper.
What can I do for you?
Great one. This little girl is destroying my life. She's taken my husband from me. She's bewitched him, so he doesn't want to see me again.
So what do you want me to do?
Great one. I want her to smell. I want her to urinate and go to toilet unceremoniously. This will make my husband leave her.
This is irreversible.
Great one, I don't want it to be reversed.
What is her name?
Pat.
Is that her?
Yes, Baba.
Fine. Do you have money? I will do as you wish.
Go home.
It's raining.
Yes, I know, but this rain. What? What is it?
My stomach.
My stomach.
Oh, Jesus. I saw myself.
What? Oh God! Somebody help me, Pat!
Oh, yes, sir. Postmaster. Thank you. Aye?
You have a letter.
Yes, that's it.
From the city?
From the city.
Oh,
yes.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Take care.
No.
Oh, I know, don't worry. Can you give me a call later? I've got a visitor. Okay. Hi, Marcus. What a surprise.
Cut that out. Look, leave that poor girl alone. She's done really wrong.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know exactly what I'm talking about. Look, she didn't come after me. I went in for her. And if you should hurt someone, it should be me, not her. She's innocent.
Marcus, my love. You know what I want. If you give it to me, she will be free. Otherwise, Marcus. Good afternoon, Agnes.
Good afternoon.
Please, I'm looking for Pat. She's my niece.
Okay, please. She is in the side ward.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, it's me. You are paying dearly for taking my man, and I'm glad. Now, I have him all to myself. You can come and take him if you are strong. You will remain a vegetable for the rest of your life. Stop crying and listen to me. I hope you die. Afi. Efo. Afi Babavon. Efo. Hey, look at you. What are you doing here? And now it's our child. Look, Pastor. This is Pastor. Pastor, this is my wife. She ran away and left me in the village to the city. Now you see how she's looking. Like a little queen. Oh, this is not necessary. I say, where is our child? And how is she? Epe is in this hospital. This hospital? Doing what? In fact, she is dying. What? That is why I brought the pastor here to come and pray for her. What? Efo, are you sure? Efo, let's go. Please, let's go. Oh, Efo, now you are looking good. Stop all this and let's go and say the child. You are having blessings on you. Now you are looking like Mommy. I want to know where Patience is lying. Patience, you know her?
I know her. But please, I have told you.
Is that her? You told her what?
I have told her.
Tell me, could it be? Is it we cannot live together in this world? With confusion, this is what we see. We see the family tree, trees of society. With confusion, day by day we pray. Evil will come my way, chasing away your way. With confusion, complication.